Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a house tour, and I just wanted to let you know that this video is sponsored by the Nova Scotia Association of Realtors. I actually used a realtor when I bought this house, and it was so helpful. They really helped guide me through the home buying process and just were able to answer all of my questions and help me through along the way. So if you guys are looking into buying a house in the future, I definitely recommend using a realtor. It was so helpful for me. So yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a house tour video. So I'm going to be showing you through my home. I know this was kind of a highly requested video since I moved in March, so I'm super excited. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys around, kind of showing you my favorite parts, and also talking about the home buying process a little bit since I know a lot of you guys are interested in that too. So come on in. So this is the main living area. It's connected to the kitchen, and this is pretty much where I spend the majority of my time. I love that it's open concept because like I said, spend a lot of time in the kitchen, and I love when I have people over that I can be in there cooking or just kind of chatting, and they can either be sitting here at the counter or in the living room. So we just wanted to decorate this room and give it a really nice, like airy vibe so that it feels just really cozy and comfortable, and also looks good in photos because I take a lot of photos. So one part that I really love about this living room is the fireplace. I feel like the realtor that I used to help me buy this house really understood my aesthetic and my vibes, because I didn't even tell them that I was looking for a fireplace. I wasn't really looking for one, but when they showed me this, I just fell in love with it. I feel like it just adds a little bit of extra touch to the room and makes it look really cool. So now let's go check out the kitchen. So this is my kitchen. This is where I spend most of my time when I'm at home because, as you guys know, I film recipes, I test lots of recipes, and I also wrote a cookbook which required me to be in the kitchen pretty much 24/7 for many months. Since I do YouTube, I have kind of a lot of requirements that I need in a kitchen. I like to have a big open space where I can put like my camera equipment, and I also like to have a big surface for filming on and just for laying everything out. So yeah, I kind of gave my realtor a list of the things I wanted in a kitchen, which was a little bit detailed, but this kitchen honestly is perfect. I love the white cabinets, and yeah, so come on in. Over here, I have my coffee machine, which I use every single day. And I also have all of my cookbooks, including my own, of course, but I love keeping my cookbooks in the kitchen because I can just flip open and make any recipe at any time. And I also love this plant that I have hanging here. I feel like adding plants to your kitchen just makes it feel kind of like a jungle, which I really like. So from the kitchen, we come down the hallway. So here we have the front hall closet, the linen closet, and the bathroom. And then here we have the office, which we'll see in a minute, and the bedroom. So when we first saw the house, I thought that this room was kind of a weird shape because it's really long, but after moving in, I really love how it turned out. It's kind of like it has two sections. So on this side, we just have our bed and our dressers, all my jewelry and my scrunchies over there. And then on this side, it's almost kind of like a walk-in closet. I have my clothing rack here, which just has the clothes that I wear on a more frequent basis. And then we have all of our other clothes in here. And I just love that this room has so much space to change, and we've got like the mirror here, and I also have all of my books. So yeah, I mean, this room, it is kind of a long shape, but I think it's really cool how we separated it, and it just makes it feel, I don't know, cool. It's almost like having a closet within your bedroom, which is very cool. So now I'm going to show you the office. So this is my office. This is where I do all of my editing and computer work. So I sit here to edit my videos and also my podcast. And right here is where I record my podcast. So if I have a guest, they'll be sitting here. And if you've ever listened to my podcast, then now you can kind of imagine where I'm sitting while you're listening to it. And yeah, I just love this space. It's really fun to work in, and it's really bright. And yeah, So that's it for the upstairs. And now I'm gonna show you guys the basement. So let's go. So this is our basement living room. Originally, we weren't going to furnish this room because we already had a living room upstairs. But when summer hit and it got really hot, we really wanted to be down here as much as possible. So we just decided to decorate this again, really cute and cozy, but nice for photos. Originally, I didn't know if I wanted a split entry house. That's kind of when you have a short set of stairs down and one up. But as the realtor that I worked with mentioned, having a split entry is pretty convenient because if you have a pet, like a dog, and they like to run up and down the stairs like Willa does, it's really nice to not have a huge set of stairs. And she likes to come down here all the time because it's cooler. So yeah, so down here we just have our TV, we have some art, and I love this little lantern on the table. I think it's really cute. And we put up some string lights too, which kind of almost makes it have like an outdoors vibe, which I like. And then over there, we just have our little yoga corner. So I have like my yoga mats and stuff as well. So here we just have the laundry room. And here we have the second bathroom. This is actually my favorite bathroom in the house. I just love how kind of like clean and beautiful it looks. I love the marble countertops. And again, the realtor that we worked with just found the most perfect house with the best finishes. This house was actually flipped, so I just love that they put in marble because that's my favorite. And I also love how you can just kind of see greenery outside. We're not totally underground, which I like. And then I just have my little hanging plant here, and we've got some cool lights up there, which are just another cool little touch. Willa's cage. And then in here is my photo room. So I wanted a house that had enough rooms to have a room where I could set up all of my camera gear so I don't have to set it up and take it down every time I want to take photos for my blog. So I just have my strobe and some of my camera stuff up there, and then just a backdrop with some props. I keep a lot of my props upstairs in the office, but I just have some stuff down here that I use frequently. And then here, I almost forgot, we just have a guest bedroom, but that is pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for coming over and taking a peek around my house. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.